Hi there, John here. If you think to stop snoring with mouthpiece, I think you can't. I recommend you to go to this site what I'm showing you now and just read the sales letter and then on the bottom see more videos how you can stop snoring with natural ways and sleep apnea. If you have sleep apnea, this is a very dangerous for your snoring, for your night sleep. And yes, please go to the how to stop snoring remedies.com site and you will get more information how you can stop snoring with natural ways. I wish you all the best and see you on this great site. Take care.